Okay, hey guys, I'm sorry I didn't do a YouTube video in a while, but I guess you would like this exploding Diet Coke bottle video. And so your materials is one of sodas, like one of those sodas, but not like Sprite, ginger ale, because you could just do ones with color, but not like clear ones where it won't work. So, let's get this started. So get 4 Mentos and a soda, and then you open this up, and then all you have to do is place in the 4 Mentos. And there it goes. There, I hope you liked it. Well, that's all for today. See ya.